we'll be answering the second part of the question for tonight. We had initially discussed the percentage of the children that will be albino, which is 0% from our calculation, because we all have normal normal children, normal offspring, who are both 50% homozygous and 50% heterozygous pigmented children. So we're going to go back to the test for the PTC. Now, the test for the PTC, let's take a look at the father now. The husband of the man actually could test PTC, but as a mother that does not test PTC. But the woman cannot test PTC. So let's look at the genotype of the father, of the husband, and we now cross-match it with the genotype of the woman for the test of, or ability to test, phenylethylcarbamide, which is PTC. So we already know that the woman cannot test. If we check the purple line there, it's a normal pigmented woman who cannot test PTC. So apparently she has two recessive allele of small t that she cannot test PTC. So we're not talking about the pigmentation now, because we've solved that initially. So she cannot test, so she has two small t's, but has a husband that so let's look at the husband now. The husband that she has married can test, but the mother of the husband cannot test. So it's good we know that what is the genotype of the man. Definitely is going to be heterozygous tester, but we need to work that out. So the woman has this allele, double allele, she cannot test the PTC. So like I have suggested that the man will have this. So how did I come by this? How am I sure that the man is heterozygous tester? It's because the mother of the man is a non-tester. According to the question, the man, that means the husband, has a mother that does not test PTC. So the mother is homozygous non-tester. That's what we have, two recessive allele like that. So now let's prove that the man is actually heterozygous tester. Apparently, if you have a non-tester that's two recessive allele, definitely you can only cross-match that with heterozygous or homozygous tester. Let's see whether how far that could be true. If we have that, then we can know the detection of the man's genotype. So the man's father could be homozygous tester. Apparently the man's mother is been established. So we're going to have this, and this. That's it. Heterozygous tester for all the offspring from the man's father and from the man's mother. So we already established that. But let's say the man has the man's father has a has an heterozygous test. So what are you going to have? T. Then here we're going to have recessive trait here, and here too we're going to have recessive tester. So we have it that way. So it doesn't really matter whether the father is either an heterozygous male or an heterozygous tester or an homozygous tester. All we could establish is the mother of the man, it's recessive, cannot test. So definitely the man that can test will have this genotype. So let's go back to the question. So we already established the genotype of the woman, because the woman cannot test. The woman in question cannot the woman cannot test. So but the man, let's see, has a normal pigmented man who is a tester. Yeah, so the man can taste, so she's heterozygous taster, but the woman, does she taste? No, so she's recessive. So let's see the percentages of the children that will be tasters. So the genotype of the man is heterozygous. We've established that because the mother of the man is non-taster. So, and the woman, the wife, is a non-taster. So that's our gene. So we're going to have this, and this, and this, and this established. So we're going to have, let's cross check. Yeah, so we're going to have 50% of the children will be non-taster, 50% of the children will be taster, which is heterozygous taster, and the others are non-taster because they have two recessive allele. So from the question, what do we see? What does the question read? What percentage of the children will be non-taster? Apparently 50% of the children will be non-taster. Right. So thank you very much. We've been able to tackle those questions. Great one, 2 seasons or 2 sessions from a single question. Highly applicative. So see you some other time. Bye for now.